Let me hand over to Ashesha, who is standing by to tell us that how did the market pan out in today's trading session. Ashesha.
Well, yes, another tepid day on the Wall Street. Nifty is ending nearly 72 points lower for the day, near that 24,580 mark. Nifty Bank, though, was outperforming in trade today. We should have that up on the screen. Nifty Bank ending nearly 95 points higher for the day, near that 55,451 mark. In terms of individual stocks, we had Wipro. That one was down 2.5%, the biggest loser on the Nifty 50 index, followed by Jio Financial. That one is down 2%. Sun Pharma is also ending the day with a downtick of nearly 2% in trade today. On the gaining side, though, we have Asian Paints up 2%. HDFC Life and Trent are also ending the day higher in trade. Remember, Trent will be reporting its numbers tomorrow, so keep an eye out on this counter as well. Shifting focus to individual sectors then, Nifty Pharma Index was impacted the most in trade today after US President Donald Trump again reiterated yesterday that he will impose additional substantial tariffs on India. Dr. Reddy's down 1.5%. Dr. Reddy's, of course, reported its numbers during the day. Weak set of numbers coming in. Sun Pharma down 2.5%. Lupin was under pressure. Biocon, Ajanta Pharma, all of these stocks ending with cuts of nearly 3% in trade today. On the flip side, though, we had PSU banking stocks which were gaining in trade today. This was the only sectoral index which is ending with some amount of gains. We have PSU Banking Index up 0.6%, Union Bank, Canara Bank, Bank of India, all of them gaining anywhere between 1 to 2.5% in today's trade. In terms of individual stocks, we have Britannia. After the management commentary that came in from the con call, the stock ended nearly 4% lower for the day, where they say that market share continues to remain flattish and the company is experiencing high commodity inflation. So after that commentary, the stock is ending with a cut of nearly 4.5% today. Bharat Forge, weak set of numbers. Revenues have declined 5% YOY. Margins at 17.2%. Bharat Forge is ending nearly 2.2% lower for the day. PVR, that one also reported its numbers. Godrej Agrovet, good set of numbers coming in over here, where revenues have risen 11% and we have EBITDA margin at 10.3%. That one is ending at 825, 2% higher for Godrej Agrovet in trade today. Castrol India, meanwhile, some management commentary that came in, after which the stock tanked in trade. In fact, Castrol India is also ending the day with a cut of nearly 4% today, where the management says that they continue to face macroeconomic challenges. So a whole host of individual stocks based on earnings that were buzzing in trade, but on the index level, Nifty is ending nearly 80 points lower, near that 24,570 mark. Bank Nifty, of course, is ending the day with some amount of gains. But that's all the time we have on this edition of the show. But don't go anywhere. More news and updates will continue on the other side.